Bingo Cash does not provide evidence that its games are rigged, but understanding how the app works is the best way to judge your own results. By the end, you will know what factors affect your experience on Bingo Cash, how to check whether a problem is caused by the app or gameplay, and what signs to look for before deciding if the platform is right for you. The first thing to understand is that Bingo Cash is a skill-based gaming app where players compete in bingo-style games. Your results can change based on gameplay decisions, competition, and the specific game format you enter. A common reason players think an app is rigged is because they lose multiple games in a row. Losing streaks can happen in competitive games because you are playing against other users, not against a guaranteed outcome. To evaluate your experience, look at the details around each game. Check the entry type, your score compared with other players, and whether the results match the rules shown inside the app. Technical issues can also create confusion. If a game freezes, disconnects, or does not load correctly, the problem may be related to the app, device, or internet connection, rather than the game results. If you notice something unusual, record the details. Save the date, game type, what happened, and any error messages shown on your screen. This gives you useful information if you need to contact Bingo Cash support. Another thing to consider is expectations. Apps like Bingo Cash are not designed to guarantee wins. Your results depend on how you play, and the outcomes of individual competitions. Before spending money on any competitive gaming app, review how entries work, what rewards are available, and what rules apply to each game mode. If you are unsure about your experience, compare what happened with the official game rules instead of only looking at whether you won or lost. The main points are simple. Losing does not automatically mean a game is rigged. Check the rules and results carefully, and keep records of technical or account issues. Your next step is to review your recent games and write down exactly what happened in any match that seemed unusual. If this guide helped you understand how to evaluate Bingo Cash, like the video and subscribe for more app reviews and troubleshooting guides.